Micah did not like apples, but his whole family liked apples. Then one day Micah chopped one apple tree, and the apple got red dots. The cow and chicken ate the apples. Next, the other people ate the eggs from the chicken and drank the milk from the cow. They got red spots from the cow and chicken because they had red dots. Finally, the man on TV asked for, "Please help us." And Micah got a book from school and found out it is a space fruit and said, "You need to lay under the sun to make their spots go away."